Hi there, boys and girls. I'm Miss Narissa, and welcome to my Grade 5 Science class. Now, in today's session, we will be discussing the decay of plants and animal materials. That's right. Now, do you know that our environment is made up of many different objects? Can you list some of those objects? Now, the environment has many different objects like spoons, leaves, cups, bottles, tires, paper, many different objects. Now, each of those objects is made up of its own type of material. So, what is a material? Now, a material is a substance that makes up an object. Or, we can switch that around and say, it is what an object is composed or made up of. So, here we have a few objects. We have a bottle. Can you tell me what that bottle is made up of? Yes, you're correct. The material that makes up that bottle is called glass. Look at the book. Can you tell me what the book is made of? You're correct. The book is made of paper. So the materials are paper and glass. Now, your turn. Let's match the objects with their materials they're made of. So here we have a list of objects. We have a bottle, a book, a pot, a shirt. We have a pair of shoes, and then we have a table. Now here we have the materials. We have metal, cotton, leather, plastic, paper, and wood. Now let's start the matching. Now can you tell me what material makes the bottle? You're correct. The bottle is made of plastic. So match it to the plastic. Can you tell me what material the book is made of? You're correct again. It's made of paper. Do your little matching. Can you tell me what material the pot is made of? You're correct again. The pot is made of metal. Let's look at the other one. The shirt. What is the shirt made of? Correct again. It's made of cotton. A cotton shirt. Then we have the shoes. You're right. The shoes is made of leather. A pair of leather shoes. And the last one, of course, that's the giveaway. The table is made of wood. A wooden table. Good job, boys and girls. Now let's talk a little about organic materials. Do you know what are organic materials? Well, let me tell you. Now, organic materials are all those materials that come from plants and animals. Once it's from a plant or an animal, it's an organic material. So, let's list some organic materials. We have leaves, roots of plants, skin. Yes, skin is an organic material because it comes from an animal skin. Vegetable peels, all those are organic materials. So, organic materials are materials that come from plants and animals. Now, quick thought. Have you ever seen trash on the roadside and wondered what will become of it? You have? Well, therefore, you are asking yourself if it will eventually decompose. Now you hear the word decompose. You know what decompose means? Decompose means that something can decay, rot, or break down in the environment. What does decompose mean? Decay, rot, or break down in the environment. So you've been wondering whether those trash will decay or rot or break down in the environment, or whether they will not. Now, all the materials in our environment can be grouped into two categories, depending on their characteristic, whether they can decay or not. These two groups are called biodegradable materials and non-biodegradable materials. Now, let's discuss the biodegradable materials. Now, biodegradable materials are those materials that can decompose. Remember, decompose means decay, rot, or can be broken down in the environment. So, biodegradable materials are all those materials that can decompose, decay, rot, or can be broken down in the environment. Example, we have wasted food, we have flowers, roots of plants, paper. So, let's go back to organic materials. Those materials that are from plants and animals. They're also biodegradable materials. Certain organic materials are biodegradable. Now, the non-biodegradable, opposite to biodegradable. We can guess the definition for this one. Non-biodegradable materials are all those materials that cannot be broken down or decomposed in the environment. So, can you list some examples of non-biodegradable materials? Think about those materials that won't decay. You have plastic cups, rubber, metal cans, glass bottles. All of those are non-biodegradable materials. That means that they would not decompose or break down in the environment by decomposers. Now let me explain what are decomposers. These are tiny organisms, tiny living things that help to break down biodegradable materials. Decomposers are tiny living things that help to break down materials in the environment, like fungus, bacteria. So, okay, boys and girls, let's do a little quiz. Now, your job is to group these objects into the two categories. You're going to say whether they are biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Are you ready? Okay, now here you have the objects. We have a metal spoon, an apple, a plastic bottle, glass bottle, piece of cardboard, and some leaves. Let's do the first one. Where would you put the metal spoon? Would you put it in the biodegradable group or the non-biodegradable group? You are correct. The metal spoon will go in the non-biodegradable group. It will not decompose. Look at the other one. Where would you put the apple? You're correct again. The apple will go into the biodegradable group. So there we go. Put the apple into the biodegradable group. Can you tell me where you put the plastic bottle? You're correct again. The plastic bottle will go into the non-biodegradable group. What about the glass bottle? Wow, you're correct again. The glass bottle will go into the non-biodegradable group. The cardboard? You got it. It will go into the biodegradable group. And the last one, the leaves. Where will you put the leaves? You're correct again. The leaves will go into the biodegradable group. Good job, boys and girls.